Assalamu alaikum. This is me Asad, and with me I have got Asad Yaqub, who's my dad. And today we would be making a video in which I will ask him some basic questions that are asked in your actual IELTS exam, actually part 1. So are you ready?
Absolutely, I'm always ready.
Alright. Do you have a talent or is there something that you're good at?
Yes, I've got a talent to play musical instruments. I'm good at playing mouth organ, which was my passion when I was a child. On the other hand, I can also play the piano. And now I would like to buy a harmonium. I would love to play harmonium. So I would say I've got passion for music, and this has become my talent as well.
Do you think your talent can be your career as well?
Why not? Absolutely. Like, one of my talents is my career. I wanted to learn to speak English, and now I've got career in this field. In the same way, I've got this talent of playing musical instruments. So if I develop this talent in the future, I can become a professional musician. So of course, I would say this talent can be used in any career as well.
Should schools help children to brush up their natural talents?
Absolutely. I brushed up all my talents at my school. So I think schools should provide extracurricular activities, co-curricular activities, and they should see what children are good at, and then they should provide them the platform where children perform and they develop their talent. So I think school is the best place to develop children's talent.
Have you ever made an effort to master your talent?
Yes, I did. In the past, I joined a music academy where one of my music teachers, he taught me how to play harmonium, how to play piano, how to play a mouth organ. I learned on my own, but he taught me how to play flute. So yes, I did that. And in future also, I have keen interest in violin. And if I get a chance to learn violin, most definitely I would go for that.
Alright, that's the end of your speaking test. Thank you.
Okay, thanks a lot. All the best. And I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. From Second Cup, Nafya Gali, Asad Yaqub and Mustain Asad, we wish you best of luck.
Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.